Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from MEXC Global. In order to do this, you will have to first launch your MEXC Global mobile application, and after that, you just have to log in into your account. Now, once you're successfully logged in, you need to tap on the Wallets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and over here in the overview section, you are going to see this withdraw button. So you need to tap on withdraw, and then you will be asked to select the crypto or any other currency. So over here, as you want to withdraw money, so I'm assuming that you want to withdraw USDT. So you will have to tap on USDT, and then you will have to select the on-chain withdrawal option. Once done, you will be redirected on this withdrawal page, where in the top you are going to see the USDT or the coin that you have selected. If you want to change it, then you will have to tap on this arrow button, and then you can select your currency. After that, you will be asked to paste the withdrawal address. So you just have to launch any other exchange or wallet in which you want to withdraw your money. After that, you just have to copy the related asset that you have selected over here in your exchange or wallet, and you simply need to paste it over here. Then whichever network you have selected in your previous exchange or wallet, you will have to select the same network while withdrawing. Then you need to enter the amount of USDT that you want to withdraw, and after filling these details, you will have to press the confirm button in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and this is how you will be able to easily withdraw money from MEXC Global. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.